Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through today a 2024 Sea Ray SDX 290. The 290 is 29 feet in length. The SDX is their sun deck version. So nice big open bow, single engine boat. Works well on really big water. Can accommodate all your family and friends. The outside, so we have the beautiful Sea Ray blue hull side color, and then accented up on the tower with that Sea Ray blue on the tower as well. If you do pick a different color, you can accent that color on the tower with whatever the hull side is. So kind of a nice thing to have. On the 290, we got a nice massive swim platform to hang out with friends and family. You got the beautiful sea deck on here, dries off really quickly, feels really good on your feet. And then we have the drop down swim deck that pops down into here. This is manual, obviously, so that can go down into the water. So lots to see on the interior. Let's climb aboard. All right, welcome to the cockpit of this 290. So obviously you can see it's got a nice L-shaped seating here with some extra seating on the side. I'll start here and point out the nice entertainment area. So there is a little sink right here that has the faucet that opens up there. This can be a grill, but it's just a little basin area. Put some ice in there, keep things nice and cool. But nice place to put some food on and prepare your food. There's a little bit of storage up underneath here as well. One cool feature I really like is the built-in cooler. So it is temperature controlled, kind of like a refrigerator. So you can put stuff down in there and it'll keep it nice and cool during the day. I've got storage underneath the seat here. There's actually a storage under here for a carry-on cooler. Obviously you can see we have the nice teak table that does collapse and does get put away in a specific spot on the boat, but nice to sit around with family and friends, and we can entertain right here. As we come up to the captain's area, we do have a backrest that moves back and forth. So if you're not driving, you can move that, and that just kind of opens up the cockpit area. There is a bolster seat that lifts up, so if you need to get above the windshield, you can do that. Then at the helm, we got the nice tilt wheel with the Sea Ray logo right in here. Feels really good on the hands as you're driving. We do have the Fusion stereo system. This is an upgraded system with upgraded speakers. It does have a subwoofer available. Sounds really good. Obviously, it does have the Bluetooth in it integrated. Like I said before, it's got the Mercury 350 horsepower engine. So that comes with the digital throttle, or DTS. So super simple, nice and smooth operation to get your boat up on plane quickly. Then we have the Simrad right here. So the Simrad is a fully touch screen integrated for, you got different charts. You can do all sorts of different things in here. You have your information on your engine. So if you want to get down and dirty and figure out what's going on in the engine, you have that. And then you have all your depths, you have maps, you have so many different things within just this one system, and all at the touch of a button. So that's kind of nice to have. This boat, I like to point out, at 29 feet is a Yacht Certified boat. Yacht Certified meaning you can have as many people on the boat as long as you have enough life jackets. So that's kind of nice to have if you have a bunch more friends that want to come along. And then we have a nice, deep, well-pointed head. It does have a sink in there, a little bit of storage, and then a vacuum flush head as well. And that can be pumped out when needed. As we come up to the bow of the boat, being that it's a sun deck, it's got a nice wide bow to it. And then at 29 feet, you've obviously got tons of seating up here. This is the bow filler cushion that can be obviously taken out if you just want to have a nice walk through in here. But you can obviously sit here with your feet back this way. Really comfortable, got some armrests. Kind of nice to have. You got cup holders here as well. And the last thing I'll point out is the windlass anchor. You have access to that at the helm, or you have access to it up here. So the SDX 290, this is obviously, again, 29 feet in length. Bring all your friends. It's an excellent ride out on the water, whether it's a nice day or a little bit of a rougher day. This will bring you through anything. So This boat's here at our Rogers location if you'd like to come take a look at it. Otherwise, you can give us a call and set up an appointment. We would love to show it to you. Click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day. Thank you.